What's the fastest way to monetize your YouTube channel using shorts? Well, what you're going to do is actually use shorts for leverage to long form videos. And this is what I've learned. Do not reinvent the wheel. Try to create videos that are already popular on YouTube, but add your own flair. In other words, let's say, for instance, you are creating a celebrity channel on the basis of musicians. Maybe you want to be more specific. Maybe musicians from the UK. Maybe musicians from Ireland. Whatever that may be, try to narrow down your niche. But what you should do is create 2 YouTube shorts to 1 long form video. And those 2 YouTube shorts are going to basically funnel those people to the long form video. Make sure that the YouTube shorts are interesting, there's a hook, and there's maybe a reason that people are going to want to click to watch the long form. So, once again, 2 YouTube shorts, 1 long form video. 2 YouTube shorts, 1 long form video. That is the template that you're going to work with to get you monetized as fast as possible. It's not that hard. It's actually pretty easy. The problem with monetizing YouTube shorts or monetizing your channel as YouTube shorts, it takes a lot of views. And you can do it better with the long form and easier, actually, and to get your hours of watch time. So that is the formula that I would use. Follow 3 channels that are in your niche and then work off of that. If you want to learn more about building your channel and how to get an edge on monetization, be sure to check out some of my other videos because I think they can be really, really helpful. Other than that, see you real soon.